All right, so we're facing a little bit of a dilemma here. There's no other way, let me show you. Okay, this is the continuation of this project. We did the floors in the hallway here about a year ago. Now we need to continue into these bedrooms. I just put this down and I realized really quickly one thing. So the direction that the floor should have flowed is this way, which means a tongue goes into the groove back here, you know, after you hammer. But I'll show you this. Since we're going backwards, there's no way to actually put the nail into the tongue over here for the tongue of the next one to fit in perfectly here. So what we have to do in order to secure this is to nail it through the tongue, through the groove back there. That immediately gives us one problem. We have nowhere to notch out, at least efficiently, to put the tongue in for this to sit properly. Because over here we have a nail, so it rocks. And there's a nail right there. Since the nail doesn't sit perfectly flush, this will immediately cause tons and tons and tons of issues for us, especially if we're trying to build this backwards. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna lather this thing up with glue, set it this way, and build it that way. Because that's the only way that I can do this and keep my sanity. And keeping your sanity is a kind of a good thing. So I'm just gonna bring out the glue, liquid nails, lather up this section, place the wood, and move in that direction. That's the fastest that we're gonna be able to do this. All right, let's keep it rolling. I'm not even gonna waste time with this. All right, one room down. Can't even tell where the transition is. Nice, part one is complete. That tool made it way faster.